I'm really operating here in such a mess that it's just unbelievable. So I'm taking a lot of shortcuts with this job. 1:1. That's what the mix ratio is. This is going to be terrible. So and I'm ready to spray the stuff over the calipers. So this is how bad it gets. I mean, I have a cardboard box on the grass in the yard, and I'm going to spray some paint. Here we go. We'll test my spray pattern a little bit. That's a lot of a fan. Okay. I'm getting somewhere. That's pretty much what I want for the calipers. So here I have the finished product. The process itself turned out to be a total disaster. I did not really even think it through properly, but in any way, the process was a disaster, but I have a result, so I guess that's all that matters. I'm going to unmask these now, do a bit of a cleaning on mounted surfaces, and I'm going to remove these old brake hoses, use these in place. What else? Well, that's pretty much it, I suppose. Install some I will have to install some new hardware, and I can assemble. Actually, I can assemble both sides. Oh, I don't see why not. Nothing is really stopping me. I think the paint came out fairly good. This is going to match what I have in the back, so it's going to be all shiny, clean and new, just the way I like it. That's pretty much all that I can really say about the front brakes rebuild. So I have stripped the paint from the mounting surfaces on both brackets. There's a little bit of paint left here, so they are clean and flat and everything, so the paint will not affect the way they are mounted. I have new, well, kinda set of rubber bushings, and here we have one really nice looking brake caliper ready to be installed on the car. Because that stupid, this is a hand foot operated spray can. So things have gone wrong as always. I spilled some cleaner. Once you open that can of worms, which is a can of paint,